Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. John here. John here. John here. John here. John here. Channel John here. John here. John here. It's time to start building our dreams. Share this video with your friends and let them know about this channel.
So our channel is a little bit different than other tractor channels you may watch out there.
You guys are the motivation that keeps me doing this.
But hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Thanks. If you're into tractors, tools, and trucks, this is definitely the channel for you.
If you would, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Make sure you ring the bell so you get the notifications anytime I publish a new video. And that way you'll be in the know and you'll get to see the video before anybody else does. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Thanks for all those likes. Thanks for all those comments. I write those back personally to you guys. If I don't get back to you, that's probably because I'm still doing some digging on some information. And you guys get to come along for the ride, watch me build my dreams, but the true purpose of this channel is to motivate, inspire, help, and inform you guys and show you that you can do the work yourself, having the right tool and the right skill set to get out there and start building your dreams.